Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon pepper and garlic parmesan flavored chicken wings. So let's get started. So I got my wings in one bowl here. I'm just going to add my seasoning salt and freshly cracked black pepper. We're not going to season them too much because most of the flavor is actually going to come from the sauce that we're going to toss these in. Our chicken is nice and seasoned and our oil has reached 350 degrees, and now we're just going to fry these until they are golden brown. While the rest of our chicken is frying, I'm going to start on our sauces. So in one small saucepan, I'm going to combine butter, garlic salt, seasoning salt, and olive oil. And that's it. That's all you need for the garlic parmesan chicken wings. Once your butter is fully melted, toss in your chicken and top them off with garlic parmesan cheese. Now, to start our lemon pepper sauce, go ahead and juice one lemon. Throw in some salt, freshly ground black pepper. The coarser the better. This is just a lemon pepper, so you want to be able to not only taste the lemon juice, but the pepper as well. Once that's all combined, go ahead and throw in your chicken wings and serve. And there you guys have it. Hopefully after this recipe, you'll never have to see the inside of WINGSTOP again because that shiz is expensive. Thank you guys. See you all next week.